It was a good day to be long stock index futures. Good day to be long. Cobra 3 E-mini S&P plus 87.50 on the day. Cobra 3 E-mini NASDAQ plus 565 on the day. We're trading two contracts in that in the 19 system version of the stock index portfolio. Adaptive moving average started out on the short side. It had that short winner yesterday. Started on the short side, flipped to the long side, minus 262.50 on the day. Night Trader, big gain today. It was it hit its $700 profit target, but it was down. It closed down here at this 32.41 level, and so it was up about $1,500 yesterday. Since it was down, the trade was negative, and so the difference from the previous day was plus $1,500, even though it only hit its $700 profit target for the day. So the big trade was gap continuation. 2019, this is in our book, Members Area 7 Trading Systems for the S&P Futures, plus 1200, just one of those gap continuation days. The market is just, it's ready to go hit new highs again, and it doesn't want to stop, and it's dismissing anything related to the coronavirus. Although the market was due for a pullback, the coronavirus was the catalyst. So once it can dismiss the coronavirus, it's going to rally as if that was the only thing that could cause a pullback, even though there were other factors. So stock index swing in Q plus 475 on the day. Strong bull market. And then 60-minute breakout is up 337.50 or 337 on the day. You see this trade right here. The market is up, and those are the trades in the stock index portfolio workspace 1. Strategy Access 2 plus 1,000 on 60-minute breakout in Q. Nice trade there. Tick pullback and ES and NQ are some of the dogs right now. We need a little bit bigger stop loss or a delayed entry. We're looking at reworking these right now because there tends to be a flush at the open, then pull back to the stop, and then rally. So pretty tight stops on those, though. So plus minus 300 on both of those today, getting out near their pullback lows. And so we'll look at a delayed version of that and see what it looks like. So those were the in this workspace there were only 3 trades. 60-minute breakout was the big winner in this workspace, pulling back and breaking out back to the upside in this strong trend. Let's go into the All Strategy Access 3 workspace. Cobra Euro plus 100. Asia Gold hit its profit target on that short, plus 975. Got short yesterday. And SR Countertrend 2 crude oil down 225. SR Countertrend 4 crude oil plus 225. Kind of a wash between those. Grains Day Trader 3 minus 200. SR Countertrend 4 RBOB plus 479. And that is All Strategy Access 3. All Strategy Access 4 is Cobra Crude minus 55 on the day. Kind of a break-even trade, pretty volatile crude oil market as it tries to catch this counter trend bounce with the equities. And then nice move there. It really was in sync with the market, this counter trend move. SR Counter Trend 3 plus 475 on that move on crude oil. Gold, this strategy was down on the day, minus 610, holding it overnight. So gold was weak today because equities were up. And then this one was stopped out. There was an error. I had an error in mine where it exited at around break even. It was around 7 a.m. It has an exit on close, and so that was the end of one of the sessions. And so maybe if you trade this strategy, let me know if it exited here. We will be adjusting that. The good news is if you exited there, you were about break even on the day instead of minus 825 on that strategy. So natural gas minus 230. We've been holding this trade a while. It is short right here, and just back and forth down here at the lows on natural gas. And All Strategy Access 5 had 3 crude oil short trades, which were the dogs of the day. Crude oil and gold have been one of our top strategies today. There were some good trades, but overall the stock indexes were the winners today, overall winners. So SR Counter Trend 2, V2M 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, all lost on the $700 stop loss. So that was the dog of the day, these crude oil strategies. And so that's the those are the trades for the day on January the 28th. Once again, stock indexes did pretty well across the board, the ones that got long, except for the tick pullback strategies here. So that's the update on the day.